In this video, we're going to talk about Lewis dot structures. Now, Lewis dot structure shows us the amount of valence electrons in an atom. So my example that I have back here is chlorine. Okay. Now, the way to know how many valence electron an atom has is by looking at the periodic table, and it all depends on how far away it is from a noble gas. If that doesn't make sense, I'll have to show you individually at another time. But my chlorine here, if I find it on your periodic table, and you should have it labeled on your periodic tables as well, you should see as 7Ve. I told you all to label your periodic tables with the number of valence electrons. And so if you look at chlorine, it should say a 7 above it. So that's why I drew 7 dots. You see them, there's 2 here, there you go, 2 right there, 2 right here, and 1 over here. That's our 7, okay? Now we could also draw Lewis dot structures of ions. You just have to add or subtract the amount of valence electrons that are being gained or lost. So for example, chlorine gains an electron, and so you'll notice that while normally chlorine has 7 on this side, since it's gaining an electron, it'll have 8. So that's why they're all paired off very nicely. And that is Lewis dot structures.